today is the first day of the official France vlogs because today we are getting on a plane and we are flying to France. So it is 10:25, and we are leaving at 12 o'clock to go to the airport. And then we're meeting my aunt and my little cousin, and we're getting on a plane, and we're taking us 8-hour flight to France. So technically, even though we're leaving today, we will get to France tomorrow at like 8 in the morning because of the time change and the long flight. So right now, I am dressed for the day. I will do an outfit of the day in a second. I showered and stuff. I have all of my luggage and stuff over there. So yeah, that's basically it for now, and I will give you an outfit of the day. Hey guys, so right now we are leaving the house and heading to the airport. It is what, 12:01? Yeah. So I will see you guys when we get there. So we're on the plane. You excited, Hannah? Yes. We have the screens, which is what we were looking for. So we checked in and everything, and so obviously, because we're on the plane, so we have like pretty nice seats. We're pretty close to the front of the plane, but at like the very front, they have like these pods where it'll like lay on a bed and stuff. It's super cool. So now we're just gonna tuck in for the flight, and I will see you guys when we get to Amsterdam. Hey guys, so it's currently 7 o'clock in the morning here in Amsterdam, and did you sleep?
No.
Because I didn't sleep.
I tried.
Okay, I didn't try at all, I just watched movies.
I put like my hood on my face.
Marvel all the way, right? We're watching Thor, it's a great time. So now we are headed, we have like an hour and a half-ish gap between our next flight, which is from Amsterdam to Marseille, which is where we're staying in France. So right now we're walking to the gate, and I will see you guys when we get there. So we're chilling at the gate.
I should also write down on a free space if anybody steals some stuff from us.
Yeah.
All the stuff that they steal.
Say, hey Eva, remember in Mexico when I was vlogging? When I was taking videos and stuff?
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm doing that again. So you want to say hi?
Hi?
Yeah? You excited?
Yes.
Yes? This is your first, what? You've been out of the country for what? Mexico? And this is what? France?
France.
Yes. You excited?
Yes.
That'll be fun. There's a pool at the house.
This?
You know that?
Oh yeah. Is it one of those nice pools, or is it one of those pools that are like, that have dirty trash in them, like hotel pools?
You know, I'm pretty sure it's a nice pool because it's owned by the house. So I think it's nice. So right now we're chilling. Let's just open
Does
the
it
gate.
have like frog eggs in it, like that one pool?
Yeah, that was gross. That was in Florida. So right now we're just chilling at the gate, and we have like an hour to be board, and then like a 2-hour flight, and then we get off, and then we have like an hour drive. So we have quite a bit of traveling left. So I will update you guys when we get on the plane. Slowly. Killing me softly. Killing me softly. Hello. Anywho, so it is currently like It's currently like 12 o'clock. My mom's dead inside, so that's happening.
She came alive.
For like 5 seconds. So right now we are heading to the baggage claim to go get our bags. Finally, we're done with the planes for now. For 2 weeks, we're done with planes. And then we have like an hour-long car ride to the house that we are staying in. So yeah, I will see you guys when we get in the car or get our luggage. So we're vlogging from the back of our rental car.
Sorry, my earbuds were tangled up.
And so we have two big suitcases right there. Me and my sister are currently sitting with our with our legs on our suitcases.
You know what?
And we're jammed in the back. So
Actually,
sometimes
I wonder
we'll
if
see
it
how
makes
this
sense
puzzle
to do a big
works.
one back there and then this.
Hey guys, so we just drove an hour, and so we're at the house, and it's like, here's the door. It's like a really tall building, and so we're waiting for someone to let us in. And so I will see you guys when we get inside. Hey guys, so we arrived at the house finally, and we're all kind of settled in. My grandparents went out to go get food, so right now I'm about to give you a house tour of the house. So let me flip the camera around, and I will show you the house. We're gonna go outside and I'll show you like the garden areas and all that stuff. But right now, like everyone's super tired and stuff, so we're probably gonna get dinner and then just like go to bed when it's dark enough to go to bed. So I'm going to end this vlog here, and hope you guys liked it. And make sure to tune in tomorrow to see day 1 of official France vlogs. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.